Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 95. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we continue our walk down Hayes Street, starting from Laguna Street and heading east towards Gough Street, through the lively heart of Hayes Valley. This stretch of Hayes Street represents one of the most vibrant transformations in San Francisco's recent history. Once an overlooked corridor beneath the shadow of the Central Freeway, it's now one of the city's most desirable and walkable districts. The demolition of the freeway in the early 1990s opened the way for a complete reimagining of the area, an urban renewal story driven not by large developers, but by local businesses and residents. As we walk east, the street becomes more animated. Boutiques, independent coffee shops, bakeries, and design studios fill the ground floors of restored Victorian buildings. What makes Hayes Valley unique is its scale. It feels intimate, human-sized. Buildings rarely rise above 3 or 4 stories, giving the neighborhood a sense of openness rare in downtown areas. You can still see traces of its early 20th century roots in the ornate cornices and bay windows that frame the street, but the vibe is modern, creative, and community-orientated. This portion of Hayes Street is sometimes called the Golden Block of Hayes Valley. Local shops here reflect the neighborhood's identity: artisan chocolate makers, wine bars, small galleries, and independent fashion stores. Outdoor seating spills onto the sidewalks, creating a European-style streetscape that encourages people to linger rather than rush. Despite its fashionable reputation, Hayes Valley has a layered past. Before the earthquake of 1906, this area was densely residential, home to working-class families and small tradespeople. The disaster leveled most of it, and for decades afterwards it remained a quiet, somewhat neglected pocket of the city. Its revival over the last 3 decades reflects broader changes across San Francisco, a growing emphasis on design, sustainability, and reclaiming neighborhood character. Approaching Gough Street, the noise of Van Ness Avenue can be heard a block away, a reminder of how close this vibrant enclave sits to the city's cultural core. From here, you're only minutes from the Opera House and Symphony Hall, yet the feel couldn't be more different. Relaxed, local, and personal. It's a perfect example of how San Francisco's neighborhoods can shift mood and identity within just a few blocks. That concludes today's episode. Our walk along Hayes Street from Laguna to Gough, through a neighborhood that captures San Francisco's ongoing story of renewal, creativity, and community on a human scale.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.